The joint probability density of x and y is given. Calculate probability y greater than 1/3 given x greater than 2/3. So let's write out the joint PDF first. It's 10x squared y and y is greater than 0, less than x, less than 1. Okay. And we have to find probability. So need probability y greater than 1/3 given x greater than 2/3. Y greater than 1/3 given x greater than 2/3. And by our A given B formula, this would be probability of A and B. So that means y greater than 1/3 and x greater than 2/3 divided by probability of B, so probability x greater than 2/3. And so we will evaluate numerator and denominator separately. So numerator, so y give greater than 1/3 and x greater than 2/3. So our double integration, so we will double integrate the f 10x squared y. Okay. So if we look at the bounds, y greater than 1/3 means y would start from 1/3. So if we do the dy inside, so y would start from 1/3. And the maximum y can go is x because y has to be less than x. So our only restriction is it's greater than 1/3. So normally the maximum possible that y can go is from 0 to x. If we look at this part of the bound, y can go 0 to x is y's maximum range. But in this case, we are not starting at 0, we are starting at 1/3. So it would go 1/3 to x. And x is greater than 2/3. So x starts at 2/3. And then the maximum that the x can be is 1. So x goes from 2/3 to 1. So this would be the numerator. Now let's double integrate this. So it's first with respect to y. So 10x squared y squared by 2. Y goes from 1/3 to x. So it's 5x squared, and then put in the y values. The top bound is x, so the x squared minus 1/9. So this one can be distributed. 5 can be pulled out. And it's x4 minus x squared over 9. And then when we integrate, it's x5 by 5 minus x cubed over 27. and the bounds were 2/3 to 1 for the x. Okay, so I'm creating some space here. Take it here. So 5, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 27. Minus 5. 2/3 to the 5th minus, oh my God, that's terrible. Oh, I just don't have enough space. Let's see. 5, 1/5 minus 1 over 27, and the lower bound is 2/3. So 2/3 to the 5th over 5 minus 2/3 cube over 27. Okay, and now let's just calculate it as a decimal. Okay, so 1 over 5 minus 1 over 27. Okay, minus, so that'll be 32 by 243. Plus 8 by 27. And then everything times 5. So I get 2.238 from numerator. 2.238. And denominator, if we remember, was this probability x greater than 2/3. So what that means is that we integrate again the whole function, which was 10x squared y. dy dx. So in this case, there are no bounds on y. We just have x greater than 2/3. So that means y will get its full range, and the full range of y was 0 to x. But x is greater than 2/3. So that means x starts from 2/3, and then the maximum x can be is 1. Okay, maximum can be 1. And so this would again be 5x squared y squared, and y goes from 0 to x equals 5. So x squared because y is x on the top bound and the bottom is just 0. So basically this is a lot easier than the numerator. So that's the integral of 5x4 And the integral of 5x4 is just x to the 5. And x goes from 2/3 to 1. That's 1 to the 5 minus 2/3 to the 5. So that is 1 minus 32 by 243. So that's 0.868. And therefore our answer is numerator over denominator. 2.238.
I think the numerator is 0.7379.
Oh, so where did we go wrong? So is this part correct? Let's see.
Let's check. Okay.
So 1 over 5 minus 1 over 27 minus 2, so 32 over 243 into 5. Okay, and then minus 32 over 243 into 5. Plus, it's 8 over 27, so 8 divided by 729. Okay, into 5. Yeah, you're right. It's 0.738. Yeah?
Yeah.
0.738. So this denominator is right.
Yeah, denominator is right.
So 0.738 divided by 0.868 is 0.85. .85, choice C.
Yeah.
So I hope that makes it clear.